make some breakfast now. What a view, eh? It's just beautiful. So we were making this omelet, and like it turns out that it's actually more of a quiche.
It's like a crustless quiche.
A crustless quiche. So I'm gonna flip it and then cook the other side.
Hold this to it.
Oh yeah, good idea. Wow, that's not hot at all. Oh God. How do you think that turned out? I had to give it over to Star. I was being very incompetent. Oh my God! It just slid into place. Perfect.
It looks terrible.
Yes, it does.
It looks so gross.
Why are you laying like that? Like it's like lay standing. What the heck?
Oh my God. It doesn't look comfortable.
Didn't really turn out the way we were hoping.
It looks terrible.
It's like crap.
Hiking Devil's Hole today. It's a 5-kilometer loop. I think that it's really just like a little lake in like a hole.
Yeah, I'm not really sure what it's classified as.
Like, yeah, it's not really like a hole. It's kind of like a dip, and there's a lake in there. So it's called, I don't know, it's called Devil's Hole. It's a 5-kilometer loop though. It is much colder today, which is why it's actually snowing. Just a tiny, tiny bit. I know, we're going. It's just, yeah, you might be able to, like, I don't know if the camera can pick it up.
I think it's hail. Yeah, it's hail.
Like, yeah, but it's like not hail, but not snow. You know, that like weird mix of like large flakes. And yeah, it is a lot colder today. We ended up needing to use the heater most of the night. More than we have in the last 2 weeks.
I think we may have used it for like 2-3 hours out of the night.
Yeah, we turned it on, and then it gets hot, we turn it off, turn it back on. But we haven't had to do that. We haven't really used it except in the morning this whole like since we got here really. And now, yeah, we had to use it. Just changed on us again. Now it's beautiful and clear blue. This is what I like. We find it so much easier to film when it's sunny and nice out, and part of the reason why we weren't really filming that much in Smithers is that it was always so gray and snowy and depressing. And here it's like every day it's like, let's go do something, let's take the camera, ooh, look at this, it's so pretty, it's so nice.
Yeah, and whenever you actually have bad weather, it only lasts for like 20 minutes and then it's gone.
Yeah, it's really nice, honestly.
Like the bad weather starts in the Rockies and it just flies over this area, over to the Purcells, and it's just gone in no time.
Yeah, I can definitely tell since we've been here, our mood has been so much better because it's just so much nicer. And Daniel and I both really take a lot of like energy from the sun, and when it's a nice day like this, oh.
Well, that was a quick little walk. Now we're gonna go into town and we're gonna shower, and we'll show you where we've been showering, because the gas station, the Husky's, actually under renovation, so we've been going to the gym. And it's not bad, because when you buy the punch card, it's only $9 a time, and the Husky's $7, and it's like I get to work out and shower, so it's perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna head into town, buy some dinner as well, probably fill the water.
Yeah. Do all the errands.
Yeah.
Maybe do laundry if we're
Maybe.
feeling laundry.
Depending on what time it is.
Yeah.
And we'll catch you in town. So, we bought a different light. Yeah, well, you can't have tomatoes. We bought a different light. This is a stainless steel one, which I just thought it'd look a little nicer.
Plus, this one doesn't bend that easily, so this one seems a lot more flexible.
Yeah, you tried it out in the store, and the clip is also a lot sturdier. This one likes to fly off of here. And I also bought this really cool bulb.
That's too bright. There we go.
Yeah, I just thought this was
Yeah, it's a lot more
quite
flexible.
a lot more flexible and a little bit more, and it's longer too, eh?
Mm-hmm.
And this is like really tight. So,
Should be good.
yeah. This is kind of cool. Let's see what it looks like.
Hope it doesn't break.
Yeah, I hope not either.
Ooh.
Oh, whoa.
It's like...
Oh, it's like orange. I don't know if I like that.
I don't really like it.
Oh, it's kind of cool though, but it's like...
Huh. It's very warm.
Oh my gosh, that's warm. But it's so cool. Damn, that's too warm.
That's
It looks ridiculous.
That is so warm.
But it's so cool.
Okay, let's change it.
Oh.
Yeah, that looks better.
Oh, I really like this bulb. Right, Aspen. We got some very good butcher taco stuff. This brand is really good. I really like them. Been making the rice cooker. You're probably wondering, why are you making everything in the rice cooker? Like the omelet, or, well, I don't even know what we were making. That was just disaster. Anyway, oh, you're so cute. Anyways, that has nothing to do with it. Oh, it could actually. Mm-hmm. It could. Some queso. Got pepper, got some little tomatoes, taco seasoning. I was too lazy to make my own blend tonight. Some peach and mango salsa, avocado. Throw that in the rice cooker.
What's your pause?
Oh yeah, right. Back to the rice cooker. And why we're using the rice cooker? Oh my god, Aspen. It's because we only have a very small camp stove for like hiking. And a very small frying pan. So that's why we're cooking everything in the rice cooker. You want another piece? Here. Yummy, yummy. Okay. Tomatoes? I think it'll just go in whole. Even you like it. Yeah, I know it smells good. You had so many dog food treats, like, you've had so much stuff, man. There we go. Good thing I just had the right amount of paper towel because I left it in the truck.
These are so tiny. Pretty good.
Good.
I just got back from the gym. It is honestly so nice going to the gym and showering. Before we would just go to like truck stops or get a provincial park, or like we went to some weird showers. But it is so nice going to the gym. I've never gone to an actual gym before. Like I went to, you know, there's like gym class in school and you have like weight equipment and stuff, but that gym is so nice. We went to Fitness Inc. There's 2 gyms here in Cranbrook. There's also Anytime Fitness, but you need a membership for that one. And so Fitness Inc. is $15 for the day, which is a little high, but you also get to go to the gym for like, compared to like a shower, because the Husky's like $7 for a shower. But if you get the punch pass or the membership, it's like, works out to be like way cheaper. And you also get to go to the gym, which is really nice. Yeah, I went on the stairs and the treadmill, and like I did some arm workouts with some equipment. It's been really nice because it's like, why not? Like, it's there. And the showers are so clean. I don't know why we haven't done that before, go to a gym. We should. I'm very excited to have found this so early on in us coming to Cranbrook. I never would have thought about it if the Husky wasn't closed. Well, it's getting pretty late at night here, so I think we're going to go and find a place to spend the night. I'm not sure exactly where yet. There's a few options we have in mind. So I think we're going to end the video here. Thanks for watching. We hope that you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.